Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. Now we still don't have an app yet for ChatGPT on both the Apple App Store or Android Play Store. But you can use GPT using your mobile browser. Now you can either choose the default Safari, which is default on any iPhone, or you can use any of your favorite browsers. Now for me, my favorite web browser is Chrome Mobile for iOS. So launch that and then go to the following page. It's going to take you to the ChatGPT page. Then you can either log into your ChatGPT account if you already have one. So since I have an account, I'll simply tap on login. If you don't have an account, you can watch my other video on how to create or sign up for ChatGPT account. I'll link it down below in the description. So let me quickly log in with my email address and password. You will now see a short disclaimer about the tool. Simply tap on Next, followed by Done to access the ChatGPT chatbot, and you are all done. You can now visit the ChatGPT website on your mobile to ask your queries and have all sorts of conversations with the AI bot.